What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Workout Session, and I am Tiffany Session, your favorite trainer. But today's video is a quick video. As you can see, I've already done my workout, but I want to go ahead and go over the proper way to do squats. If you're not following me, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's just WO Session Fit, WOSESSION Fit, FIT. But anyways, so a lot of people, it appears to be easy to exercise a squat, but it's really not. It's formality for one, and some people like to do it with weights. Some people like to do it with body weights. There's different variations to do a squat. You have the open leg squat, closed leg squat, but a plain squat is simply done like this. Okay. You want to make sure that your arms are parallel with your knees when you go down. So what I mean by that, you want to keep your back straight. Your back should be straight. It should not be over, and your butt should not be pointed out. But the proper way to do it, back straight, legs, elbows to knees. So here, boom, that's your squat. Okay, and come up. Now, if you're working the squat with your glute, then that's when you see the squeeze that everybody does. So you will work glutes when you come up, squeeze. You go down into your squat, working quads, up, working glutes, okay? But your elbows should be parallel with your knees, okay? So if I'm working glutes, this is what my squat will look like, right? And legs, okay? That's what my squat will look like. I'm going to turn frontward so you can see. Like this, elbows to knee ratio. So my elbows should be parallel to my knees. I should be able to touch them. Boom. There go my knees right here. That's how you know you're doing the proper form of a squat, okay? And back up. The only way you should squeeze is if you're working glutes as well. See that squeeze here? Boom. That's that squeeze. When you're trying to work on glutes as well as legs at the same time, trying to get multiple muscle groups in. So here's that front squat for you. Up. As you can see, my elbows are parallel to my knees. Now that is the proper way you do a squat. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Workout Session. Follow me on IG. It's Workout Session Fit. WO Session Fit.